Uh, mm, where is that file? The matter was heard on, finally heard on 15/4/2020, and the judgment was reserved. Both the parties have filed their written note of submission. However, subsequently, a memo has been filed by the counsel for the petitioner requesting for relisting the matter for hearing on the ground that the counter affidavit filed by the opposite party has been served to them on the date when the matter was heard, and they have the petitioner has discovered certain facts and which needs to be clarified. In view of the memo moved by the petitioner, leaves the matter for further hearing.
Item 2.
Item 2, Your Lordship. I beg your pardon, I am not VC, Your Lordship.
One
Your Lordship is taking some time to file the written
was
note.
heard on finally heard on 12/11/2024, and the parties were directed to file the written note of submission within 10 days. However, the written note of submission has not been filed by the petitioner. Hence, again, on 3/3/2025, the matter was relisted, and further time was granted to the petitioners, to the parties to file a written note of submission within a period of 10 days. Even then, the parties have not filed a written note of submission. Hence, the matter is released from the board and release the matter for hearing before appropriate bench.
Item 3.
The matter was heard on 30th November 2024, and the parties were directed to file written note of submission. The petitioner, although has filed a written note of submission, however, the counsel for the opposite parties have not filed their written note of submission. Therefore, the matter was judgment could not be pronounced. In view of the aforementioned, and the matter is to be reheard, leaves the matter for hearing. Because of Anil Rai says that within 3.
My lords,
Anil Rai judgment
I know.
is, that's the whole difficulty. See, what I said is, written notes or submissions are filed, give it to me to give dictation. These matters were written notes of, not you have filed, the others have not filed. It was not placed before me. Now the problem is this. Because yesterday there is a judgment. Supreme Court has asked
My lords.
to.
Can we take one more shot? I mean, again going through
I can release it for further hearing. It will come before. Release it for further hearing. Yes.
There's an interim order.
Interim order will continue.
Absolute. Lordship, make it
Interim order
absolute.
will continue.
Make it absolute. So that
Interim order
piecemeal.
absolute.
Make it absolute.
In view of the fact that the opposite party have not filed written note of submission, despite repeated opportunity being given, the interim order passed on such and such day is made absolute.
Absolute.
Let it be.
Well, let it.
It is not your mistake, it's their mistake. Why should you suffer for that?
May pardon to mention, Your Lordship.
Yes.
CRLMC number 474 of 2025 that has been
Yes.
finally heard by Your Lordship.
Yes.
Already been filed. Whereas the co-accused case number CRLMC number 3657 of 2024, that judgment has been passed by my Lord Justice Aditya Mahapatra.
36.
My Lord's 3657 of 2024.
There? Okay. Is there that? We'll solve.
And so I'm handing over the copy to the court master, Your Lordship.
If you file a log with you. Okay. Thank you.
Grateful, Your Lordship. Grateful.